Paul. He is currently on his cell phone, you'll notice, eating his snacks. Buddy, who are you calling? We're driving in the car. Hey, buddy, can you show us your phone? Yes? What kind of phone is that? Can you show us? Yes. Show us your phone. Here, can Mom see your cell phone? Oh, that looks remarkably like a garage door opener. Oh, say hello. Hello. Say, how are ya? Can you say, how are ya? Oh, he's got to go. He's talking on the phone. We love you. Today is May 27, and Stephen Paul is 21 and a half months old. All right, bud, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.